Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 6.69 from the book Fundamental of Thermodynamics by BORGNAKKE. So the statement of the problem is a small stream with water at initial temperature of 20 degrees centigrade runs out over a cliff, creating a 100-meter tall waterfall. Total height is equal to 100 meter. Estimate the downstream temperature when you neglect the horizontal flow velocity upstream and downstream for the waterfall. When we neglect the velocities, find the value of velocity v, and how fast was the estimate the downstream temperature. Find temperature T2. Required is to find final temperature T2. How fast was the water dropping just before it splashed into the pool? Find the velocity. So here we start solution. So the according to law of conservation of energy, potential energy is equal when water fall, potential energy is equal to kinetic energy. So mass is cancelled with mass. We have to find velocity. So if rearrange this equation, v square is equal to 2gh. Take under root on both sides. So velocity is equal to under the root 2gh. Now put values here. The gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter per second square and height is given to us as 100 meter. So meter square per second square. Velocity is equal to under root of this is equal to 44.29 meter per second. This is the velocity. Now to find T2. So when the water splashes into the pool, splashes into the pool, the kinetic energy is converted into thermal energy. The kinetic energy is converted into thermal energy. Thermal energy here is Q is equal to mcp del T, or mgh potential energy is equal to mcp del T. Del T is equal to T2 minus T1. So m will be cancelled with m. So we have to find T2. So T2 minus T1 is equal to GH divided by Cp. Or we can write this equation as T2 is equal to T1 plus GH divided by Cp. So T2 is equal to T1 is given to us as 20 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 293 Kelvin. 20 plus 273. So 293 Kelvin plus gravitational acceleration is 9.81 meter per second square. Height given to us is 100 meter, and Cp per water is 4.184 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and joule is equal to Newton meter per kilogram per Kelvin. Now T2 is equal to 293 Kelvin plus 9.81 multiplied by 100 is equal to 981 meter square per second square divided by 4.841 kilo mean 1000, and Newton is equal to kilogram meter per second square and to meter per kilogram per Kelvin. Kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram, second square will be cancelled with per second square, and square meter will be cancelled with square meter. So T2 is equal to 293 Kelvin, and simplify this value, which is equal to 0.2344, and this in per Kelvin is in double GV, so it will be shipped to numerator. So final temperature is equal to 293.2344 Kelvin. This is in Kelvin. Convert this into degree centigrade. So T2 is equal to 293.2344 minus 273 degree centigrade, or T2 is equal to 20.2344 degree centigrade. This is the required temperature, and this is the required velocity, and this is the end of the problem 6.59. And for more problems, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.